What's up, nail cousins? So today we are going to be doing a press-on set. Yes, we are. Just a basic press-on set with some transfer foils. I have already prepped these full cover nails. I've already prepped them, which is just buffing them, shaping them up just a little bit, and clean them off with alcohol. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take some black gel nail polish. It's in the color of 1001, and I got this off of Amazon. It came with red, white, black, and a couple of nudes. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on all of the nails, and I'll be back. Alright, so we went ahead and cured that first layer in our UV lamp for 90 seconds. And now we're going to go ahead and go in with a second coat of the same black gel polish. And we're just going to speed through this because it's pretty repetitive. So the nails have already cured, with the second coat. Now we're going to go in with this Ferrano nail foil glue, and we're going to apply this on all of the nails. Kind of like a thick coat, but not too thick. But we're going to apply this on all of the nails, full cover, and we're going to cure that for 120 seconds. And it's repetitive, so we're kind of speeding through it. And then I'm gonna just show you guys the foils that I've been using for all of my Valentine's Day sets recently. So that's it with the Ferrano already cured on it. And this is the set that my friend had got me that I was speaking about. And we are going to use that one, the gold and the red. I like it. And what we are going to do is it's really pretty. That's really pretty. But what we're going to do is just take our nail, and then we are going to just lay the foil on top of the nail, and then we are going to smooth the top and then smooth the sides. Mine kind of has some wrinkles in it, but if yours have wrinkles in it, just lift it up, relay it, smooth, and then snatch it off. And it's repetitive, so we're going to speed through this as well. All right, now cousins, you already know what time it is. It's that time to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see. Let me, just let me know down below what you guys think so far. Again, what type of videos you would like to see. Just let me know, comment down below. I really do appreciate you guys. Again, go ahead and hit the notification bell. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I love you guys and thank you. Alright, so all of the nails are fully applied with all of the foil. Now I'm going to go in with this CNC base gel, and I'm just going to just add a layer on top of the foil so my foil can be secure, just in case if you scratch off your top layer, your foil won't be scratched because your base layer is securing your foil. So I'll go ahead and apply this on top of all of the nails, and we're speeding through this because it's very repetitive. This is a repetitive set, so I just kept most of the clips in because I want you guys to see what I was doing. So I went ahead and checked, the sides, make sure I got all of the sides. And then next one I'm going to do, because I did add a thick layer of the base gel, I am going to, well, I didn't do that on this. Okay. Well, you'll see. But this is how the nails are looking with the base gel on top. Now I'm going to go in with a matte top coat on the nails and just apply that on top of all of the nails. It's repetitive, so I sped through that. But before I cured the nails, I did wipe the sides of the nails with my fingers just to make sure I didn't have like any overflow or anything like that on the sides of the nails to make them bulky and lose their shape. Okay, you guys, so this is the set here. It's all matted out, really simple, really easy, really quick, that you can do at home by yourself. Don't have to pay all that money to get your nails did, I did go ahead and do a glossy set off of camera, and this is how it looks. I don't know which one I really like. I really like the glossy because I like glossy nails, but I really like the matte because it means it looks like someone wrote on the nails. So I really like both of them. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this set. Again, let me know what you guys think on what I should be doing next. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, boo boo.